Hello everyone, this is Tiana from Tiana-HC Reforming Machine Company. Today I will introduce our new machine. This is red cat reforming machine. Unlike our other machines, it's mounted on the truck. This allows convenient transport direct to the construction sites for production. You can see this large part is diesel generator, as the power is unavailable to the construction sites. This can provide the power for machine's operation. Then you can see these four hydraulically supported pillars, ensuring stable ground support and machine operation.
Okay.
This is our PLC control box, which is suspended and rotated, reducing floor space and making it more convenient. Okay, this is all my introduction. If you want to know more, please contact me.